In my last video, I promised to show you how I built an entire AI production studio for $0. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the ghost workflow. I'm going to show you how to take a simple idea and turn it into a high-end cinematic video using 3 free tools. Let's get into it. Every great video starts with a plan. Open the Google Gemini app or go to gemini.google.com. Instead of just asking for a story, tap the prompt bar and ask for a production blueprint. Tell Gemini to break your concept into scenes, giving you the narration script and the exact visual descriptions for every shot. Once it generates, long press the text to highlight the script and tap copy. This keeps our project organized before we even touch a single image. Next is the part most people get wrong: the voiceover. Go to Hume AI and tap the input box to paste your script. If your AI sounds like a robot, your audience will swipe away. That's why we use Hume's expression sliders. Once you're happy, tap the download button, the little downward arrow, to save the audio to your phone. By the way, if you're finding this workflow useful so far, hitting that like button and subscribing is the best way to help the channel grow so I can keep bringing you these deep dives. Now for the visuals. Head over to Google Flow AI. Tap the plus icon to start a new project. The pro secret: don't just type a prompt and hit video. For a precise result, you need to generate the image first. Tap the image icon, base your description from Gemini, and hit generate. This gives the AI a high-quality anchor. Once you have a perfect shot, long press that image to select it as your base, then tap the animate button. This tells the AI exactly what to move, giving you a professional cinematic clip instead of a random mess. When your clip is ready, tap the download icon and save it to your gallery. To bring it all together, open CapCut and import your footage along with that Hume AI voiceover. Just align your animated clips to the beat of the narration, trim the edges, and just like that, your high-end AI video is ready to be uploaded.
In a quiet city where nothing unusual ever happened, there lived a man named Elias. Elias wasn't poor, but he was always tired. Every day felt shorter, like time itself was slipping through his fingers. One evening, while walking home, he saw a small shop he had never noticed before, just a door slightly open. Inside sat an old man behind a wooden desk. "Looking to buy something?" the old man asked. Elias laughed. "I don't have money for anything special," the old man smiled. "Oh, I don't deal in money. I deal in time." Elias paused. "Give you 1 year of your life," the man continued, "and I'll give you everything you want right now. Success, money, comfort. No struggle." Elias hesitated, but only for a moment. 1 year isn't much, he thought, so he agreed. The next morning, everything changed. His bank account was full. Opportunities came easily. Life felt perfect. Years passed. Elias became rich, successful, admired. But something felt wrong. Every year, he felt more exhausted than the last. Days moved faster. Moments slipped away before he could enjoy them. Until one day, he realized he wasn't living his life anymore. He was running out of it. Panicked, he rushed back to the shop. The old man was still there, waiting. "I want my time back," Elias said. The old man leaned forward. "You can have it back," he said calmly, "but it will cost you everything you gained." Elias looked at his life, his wealth, his status. Then he whispered, "Take it." In an instant, everything disappeared. Elias woke up, back in his small room, with nothing. Except time. For the first time in years, he smiled. Because now he understood. The most expensive thing you can ever spend is time you don't even realize you're losing.
What I just gave you for free is exactly what other creators are packaging into expensive courses and selling for a premium. I'm sharing this because I want you to win in 2026. It's time to stop scrolling through everyone else's success and start building your own. If this workflow helped you today, show some love by hitting that like button, dropping a comment, and subscribing to the channel.
If you want to know more about the AI tools I use in creating scripts, prompt, and cinematic videos, click this video.